Welcome to the new era of video creation with Bayozi 8. Today we will discuss with AlphaCode. Here is the contents. AlphaCode is an advanced artificial intelligence system developed by DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc. Unveiled in 2022, AlphaCode is designed to generate computer programs, tackling complex coding challenges with proficiency comparable to that of an average human programmer. DeepMind tested AlphaCode against coding challenges from Codeforces, a platform known for hosting competitive programming competitions. The system achieved a rank equivalent to 54% of the median score on Codeforces, demonstrating its capability to handle intricate programming tasks effectively. DeepMind has a rich history of pioneering AI research, with notable achievements like AlphaGo and AlphaZero. With AlphaCode, the goal was to extend AI's capabilities into the realm of software development, particularly in competitive programming. The system was trained on vast datasets sourced from public code repositories, enabling it to learn diverse coding styles and problem-solving techniques. By focusing on competitive programming, AlphaCode addresses complex algorithmic problems, marking a significant step towards AI systems capable of general problem-solving across various domains. AlphaCode's architecture leverages transformer-based neural networks, a state-of-the-art approach in natural language processing. Utilizing sequence-to-sequence modeling, AlphaCode interprets problem statements and generates corresponding code solutions. To ensure the quality and correctness of the generated code, AlphaCode produces a vast number of potential solutions and employs filtering mechanisms to select the most promising ones. This approach enhances the diversity of solutions while reducing redundancy, increasing the likelihood of producing correct and efficient code. AlphaCode's performance was evaluated using problems from Codeforces, a platform renowned for its competitive programming challenges. In these assessments, AlphaCode achieved a rank equivalent to 54% of the median score, indicating a performance level comparable to that of an average human programmer. While AlphaCode excels in generating syntactically correct and logically sound code, it may still encounter challenges in understanding nuanced problem requirements or optimizing code for efficiency. These observations highlight both the strengths and current limitations of AI-driven code generation systems. The advent of AlphaCode signifies a potential transformation in software development practices. By automating routine coding tasks, developers can allocate more time to complex problem-solving and system design. AlphaCode can also serve as an assistant during code reviews, identifying potential errors and suggesting improvements. Furthermore, its ability to rapidly generate code facilitates swift prototyping, enabling quicker iterations during the development process. Consequently, the role of developers may evolve to focus more on strategic planning and oversight, leveraging AI tools to enhance productivity and code quality. AlphaCode holds significant potential in educational contexts. As a supplementary learning tool, it can provide students with personalized coding exercises tailored to their proficiency levels. The system's ability to offer instant feedback allows learners to understand and correct their mistakes promptly, fostering a more effective learning experience. Additionally, AlphaCode can help bridge skill gaps by presenting challenges that adapt to the learner's progress, ensuring a continuous and customized educational journey. This integration of AI into coding education can enhance the development of programming skills among students. The deployment of AI systems like AlphaCode raises several ethical considerations. One primary concern is the potential displacement of jobs, as automation could reduce the demand for entry-level programming positions. Additionally, an over-reliance on AI-generated code might lead to a decline in fundamental coding skills among developers. Intellectual property issues may also arise, particularly if AI systems inadvertently reproduce proprietary code without proper attribution. Moreover, biases present in the training data could be perpetuated in the generated code, leading to fairness concerns. Addressing these ethical challenges is crucial to ensure the responsible integration of AI in software development. Looking ahead, the future of AI in coding appears promising. Advancements in AI coding systems like AlphaCode could lead to more sophisticated tools capable of handling increasingly complex programming tasks. Integration with development environments may become seamless, allowing developers to collaborate effectively with AI assistants. This collaboration could enhance productivity,